There is a professor, a good friend of mine at Harvard Business School. Her name is Tsedal, Neeley, and she has studied this problem a lot. What does it take to convince people to use AI and deploy it for meaningful business purposes or meaningful educational purposes? You can get anybody to try ChatGPT on a weekend, but that is a long way of studying your gardening advice to convincing a company to actually go and start using it. And she has come up with this concept of hearts and minds, matrix. What you want to have is, let's start with the mind. You want people that are technologically predisposed to learn and are curious to try new things. If somebody just does not have the natural curiosity, it's very hard to take that middle-level manager and say, oh, please try this new thing. But the hearts is the real interesting dimension. If they see that this will be advantageous to their career, so they have to be in the right juncture in their career to say, oh, this can help me advance to the next level. I will get promoted. I will get a better job in another company. When we find those two, that is the upper right-hand corner of the matrix. So whenever we launch a new project, like we would launch, obviously Nissan is a customer, we always look for those who is in that upper right-hand corner. And we try to avoid the people that are not curious at all costs.